I got Xbox Series X, and the customer said the console got overheating and the fan is stopped working. Let's start to check it and see the first. I turn it on, and as you can see, the fan is not working at all, and they have error message. Let's open it and see what happened to the fan. Before open the fan, let's clean it. The console look like better than before. And the fan is not spin as a normal, so let's change it. And this is a brand new fan. It's available on our shop if you like to buy it. And this is the new fan. It's different like the old one, so I need to open the cover. They have 4 screws here. I need to open it and change the cover. The new fan is ready. It's time to test. And as you can see, the fan is spinning. So the console is fixed. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.